Let's see how to create a new query. Click on New Request and then on the blue button Edit. You will have access to all the parameters. The first important question to ask is when you want to retrieve those prices. So if I click Wednesday as well as Friday, my query will run on Wednesday and Friday. Then I can select the station using the IATA code for the airport stations. I want the prices to be checked. So I will click NC for Nice or Charles de Gaulle, CDG. To choose the duration, type the number of days you want to shop, and you can add as many as you want. In my example, I will check 2 and 3 day rental for weekends. Therefore, I will also adjust the checkout time to make sure I will have it at 3 p.m. Then choose a website, click on the plus, and type the letter of the website you know. In this example, we can take car rentals as well as rental cars. We can also add a brand site, Avis in this example. But then if I want to remove it, simply click on the gray criteria. The last important question is how many weeks ahead do you want to shop? So you can select a rolling week. So in this example, I want those prices to be shopped for the upcoming 4 weeks ahead, and the departure day will be a Friday because I want to shop a weekend rental. I can also add a fixed day. I will select the first weekend on the autumn vacation. I can add also some more. And then if I want only fixed date, I can remove the rolling weeks and put back on 0. I click Save to keep the record of this query. This number of shops will consume 24 credits that will be debited from my account. The last important part is to select the default parameters. Then I will click on Planner Settings. And I will set the time I want this query to run. So if I want to have morning results, I will have to launch it around 4 a.m. during the night. And then for sure it will be my night, so it will be the regional time zone. Do not forget to set the appropriate currency you want to retrieve the prices. Click Save. Then your query is ready to run, and it will run again on a Wednesday and Friday. And the result will be displayed on the regular RateShop module that you know already using the curve or the ranking.